Alright guys, so we got the shelves in over there. Didn't really video that. Anyways, put 3 shelves in and put the fronts on. And yeah, now I'm gonna sand it. And then I think she's gonna wanna burn it. And then we're gonna stain it. And then seal it up. And then she's gonna find a mirror. So oh, Georgie. Georgie, do you not know what? Heavy snow in New England. Historic blizzard, George. I'm glad we didn't get that. I don't want a historic blizzard. I don't want any blizzard. That's cute. Now I guess we'll burn it. You want it burnt?
Board and then like that way
huh?
to the back like this.
Ba 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 ba. Georgie dog. Blizzard of 26. Oh, Georgie, what are you doing? Your mom took couch? And the old man, old gosher doggy. You get up there? Oh boy. Good boy. That's a good boy, gosher. Ooh. It's snowing. But the good thing is everything was covered earlier and they definitely didn't salt. So it's all melted off. So that ground temperature is pretty warm yet. I did go and salt this morning. And I forgot my camera, so hopefully we only got another couple salt runs. Should be it, I think. Do 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 do. So there it is. Burn up. So now you want to stain it?
Due to these factors, we are declaring a state of emergency and instituting a travel ban starting at 9 p.m. this evening and ending at 12 p.m. tomorrow.
Ooh.
The state of emergency closes the streets, highways, and bridges of New York City for all traffic. Cars, trucks, scooters, and e-bikes.
Scooters.
With some specific exemptions for essential and emergency movement. We are asking New Yorkers to avoid all...
I think they're supposed to get like 20 some inches of snow, huh?
The city never sleeps.
Yeah, right there. New York. Yeah, about 18 to 24, huh? Needless to say, I don't think scooters and e-bikes would get around too well. I'm not a very smart man, but I don't think that would work very good for them. But who knows? 2 feet of snow, Jersey Shore. Bob Van Dillen. Ooh. I could load up and head up the coast. Take the truck up. Guys are going to need some help. Not too thrilled about doing that, honestly. But somebody called me and offered the right amount of money. Maybe. Probably. Snowzilla. Nope. You like it or no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Are you guys jealous? Do you want to be lap dogs too? Alright guys, so she got it all stained. Yeah. We're just going to put it up, and I think we're going to put the vanity on, or the mirror on the wall behind it. That would make the most amount of sense. But anyways, you got shelves. This thing is basically 37 3/4 by 18, I believe. Yep, 37 and 3/4 by 18, and then 30 inches tall. And your shelves are like 10 inches apart, shelf to shelf. And yeah, pretty simple. 2x4s, 1x's, and that's about it to build it. Screwed everything together, which we got on video 1 of kind of went over how we used pocket holes and got everything together. The top we pocket holed and put glue in there and squished them and whatever, and then put the shelves in. I forgot to video that, but it's pretty simple. Just used the little pieces there, put on the inside, and then put the 1x's on top. And we put pieces on top because she were on the front. She wanted to hide them, so. Yeah, and then you saw, oh, you didn't see us take the router, and we did a little round over on the edge, so it's not as sharp, just on the top. She put stain on it, which it's pretty cool. It's like a grayish, I guess, weathered oak. So, yeah. Video 1, this is video 2, and that's pretty well it. We're going to get it put up in the bathroom and get the mirror up, and she'll be using it. So, I guess if you pushed hard enough, you could definitely do it in a weekend or probably even a day. But yeah, by any means not a woodworker, so I've just messed around trying to build stuff here and there. So I'm sure there's guys that could do this a lot nicer and a lot better, but for what it is, it's she's happy with it. and it was fun to do. So, yeah. I appreciate y'all watching. Say goodnight, George.